Akiaria hindi ya kwamukira uteithio wa irio kuma kuri gikundi kia ahuri biacara mwena wa Thika, Gavana wa Kiambu James Nyoro augite irio itanyiheire tani 3,000 nicio irabatarania kaunti-ini ino niguo guteithiriria andu aria mahinyiriirio ni ng'aragu kaunti-ini ino mahinda-ini maya bururi urangethanira na ugwati wa COVID-19.
As a county, will be requiring about 900 tons of unga flour, 600 tons of rice, 600 tons of beans, over 350 tons of or liters of cooking oil.
Ihinda-ini riu Nyoro ni aruguritie ngari ya kuhoria mwaki iria ni ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 60 na iria ikuhuthika hari mihango ya kuhuhira dawa cia kuraga germs thoko-ini undu umwe na thiteji cia ukui wa muingi mwena uyu wa Thika. Kambuni ya Capwell ni mwe ya kambuni iria iheanite uteithio wa mbembe wa muigana wa ciringi milioni 20 makiuga riri nirio ihinda ria gutamburukia guoko kwa utana kuri aria matehotete mahinda-ini maya.
In this kind of times, all communities, the government, all stakeholders need to come together and play their role. This is not the time when we think about commercial, think about profits. We have to all join hands to see what we can do.
Murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ino Rajan Shah augite ona thengia ya kambuni kugia na igutha na biacara gucoka thi na gikiro kinene no meguthie na mbere na kurugamana a Kenya aria mahinyiririkite.
The trade has almost ground to a halt, and this definitely affects us. One may think that why food stuff would not be affected, but we are as much affected as any other business. And as a result of that, we have definitely seen a free fall in demand of even basic essentials like maize flour.
Ahuri biacara ya matanyite kuheana uteithio kuri andu matanyiheire 85,000 guothe bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.